Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to remove formulas and paste the values or retain only the data in Excel. Now, if in case I double click, you can see that the formula has been applied in order to check whether this employee has achieved the sales target or not. Now, I want to remove this formula, but I want to retain the result of this which is achieved and not achieved. In order to do that, there are two simple ways. Now just select the range of data, press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Now give the shortcut Ctrl C to copy and give the shortcut RTS. Once you give RTS, that will bring up this paste special dialog box. Just click on this values option and then give OK. So now if in case you double click, you can see that the formula has been removed. Now this can also be achieved from the home tab. So in order to get the paste special, make sure to copy, Ctrl C. From home tab, you can go with this paste. These are the paste special options. So you can go with this paste as values option. Both the things are the same. Now we will move on to the second method. Now I'll bring back for the formula. I'll just give Ctrl Z in order to bring back the formula. Now there's the formula. Now the second method is very simple, and this method again select the range of data. So again give the shortcut Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Now by making use of right button on your mouse, you can see once you place it there, you will get the four-headed arrow. Just select that, move towards the right and immediately bring back to the same cell. Once you bring back to the same cell, that will bring up this set of values. So here, go with this copy here as values option. So once you do that, you can see the formula has been filled. So these are the two easy methods, and that concludes this video. If you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to receive further updates.